Morning.
Still off.
I
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Second day. Just brushed my teeth. As you can tell, I wasn't able to talk.
Able to treat Mike.
He's got his crazy hat on. Hoorah! Like the hair.
What? No.
Oh man, that's dumb.
Was supposed to be here?
Dreadlocks.
It was Ty.
Oh, that's cool.
What? All Ty's fault.
This is weird.
How
My
did you do
peg
everything
screen's not
opposite
on.
of what you did?
What Ty did?
I'm still recording.
Is it
Playing
recording?
a card game. Yeah, usually the back screen's on, but I don't know. I've been having this problem lately where it doesn't turn on.
It stinks in here. It smells like spray. Yeah.
What?
Get my time to save the day.
Hey, Kyle, get my pants.
I got a hostage.
Get my pants.
Where?
Right here.
Why?
It's classified information.
Oh.
Don't do it.
Alright.
I'm gonna steal cameras.
Really?
I'm sorry.
Why?
It smells good. I have to sit in here until 8. That's 10
So
minutes
you're the
till.
leader.
Guys, he took Tyler hostages. Flesh.
Oh, it stank. We're going down in the trap door.
Down there, Kyle.
Is it even that freaking up?
Don't be scared.
Wow. No, Carmen's coming up.
Is it really anything?
No, not really. It's just underneath. That's boring. We're heading to the lunchroom. Food! Got everything. My dad's birthday present, my Bible, so we don't have to run back to get anything. We don't get food until a long time from now. Yeah, it's so lame.
Lunch and that food is lame. No one wants food. Leave the food for me.
I don't know, where did they go?
YouTuber now.
I've been a YouTuber now.
Kyle's YouTube now.
Oh.
How are your guys' pranks coming along?
We haven't introduced any of them.
Nice. I don't like the fails because they were like, oh, don't worry, we'll be fine.
That sprain was not a prank.
What was the sprain?
Well, the second one
What was the
was
sprain?
the Febreze stuff.
Oh, the sprain. He just like, that's weird. Shh.
Dear God, we just thank you for this day, thank you for this weekend. Thank you for all the campers who last night already committed their lives to you, and we just pray for all the other campers this weekend that no one will leave without seriously thinking about that decision. And we just thank you for this food that we're about to eat. Pray that you will bless it to us, and just pray that we'll have a wonderful retreat. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Alright, we're going to start with these.
Did you get some too? Did you get some hot chocolate too?
No.
Wow, you're not recording right now. Damn it.
Did a mess one table at a time, so I gotta wait. There's a
Are you gonna
Rubik's
talk to
Cube over there. Not right now. He's solving his cube. I don't think he's a speed solver. Otherwise, he'd already be done.
Beats.
So, I don't know.
I'm just gonna keep it on Kyle while he eats. This is Kyle eating. That's Ben.
Eating. Did he come back with my grape juice yet?
One of my friends put number 3, and they called it Troy.
Alright, so we're running the fog machine.
There was a
and
prank!
it was a prank. And the smoke alarms were going off
Yeah, so we
all
won.
over
You
the
guys are in
place.
trouble.
And
The fire department's smelling.
literally all
Yeah.
over the whole entire place. The fire alarm's probably gonna come. Even the people that live in those 2 rooms over there probably are going off. And we don't know how to turn them off because it doesn't do anything. And it is loud.
Open this and it seems like someone's pulling it.
Oh, it does.
No, you gotta go like this, you gotta go.
Look how foggy it is.
But
like, shut
no one seems to be hearing it because no one's coming.
Hey, there's a
So
knife right here.
well, that's mine.
I'm gonna put it
Okay. What is up with this? No one is here yet.
Guilty as charged.
No one is here yet. Did you call someone?
No, it's terrible.
It's a good thing we did this because they're not prepared for
Was it your
fire.
smoke
Yeah.
Oh, this.
Tell them we were testing them to see how long it takes them to get here.
Yeah. We
It
just
could
lit a
be-
match.
We could be burning up in there.
Meeting.
It was way funnier.
No, you gotta leave the door open.
You have to leave it
You have
open.
to leave it open.
We could
They
say,
won't shut off though until someone gets here.
We could say we were making toast.
Or
but they
until it
got
burns
burned.
down. They'll be like, where's the toaster? Tell them we'll throw it out there somewhere. We threw it on the lake.
And we're back.
Come on,
Making
Kyle.
toast.
Shouldn't have left the toast in that long. I didn't say I wanted it that brown.
Come on, seriously.
It's all gone. Okay. These alarms are so annoying and there's still no one here. Good thing we're doing this, cause guys, it's already been 5 minutes and there's still no one here.
There's no fire.
There's a fire.
The shower's too hot.
Yeah. Someone was taking a shower and it just.
He was making his toast too over.
I need to stop smoking too over
You can't put out a fire with ice, Chuck.
We got a
Don't tell them that. Just tell them there's no fire.
Guys, we got a G code.
So then they don't bring the ice all the way over to here. There's
All right,
no
here come some
fire.
people. Yeah, recording each other. Record.
We just set it off with a smoke machine.
No, they're still not coming.
Why didn't you tell me the truth? There's no fire. Wait, no.
We didn't mean to do it.
Fog machine.
No, it wasn't the fog machine.
Yes,
That's
it
sitting
was.
right there. Someone was taking a shower.
Why don't you tell the truth, Kyle?
All right, tell the truth. We were testing it to see how long it takes them to come save us.
Burnt our toast. All right, let's get in the open.
That says Matthew signing out.
Got a timer there.
So it's recording right now.
Yeah.
Hey, Kyle. You're gonna edit this, and I don't know what they're doing. Okay. So we're gonna put a Mento in a Jones pop.
And then you gotta put cap on it lightly.
Yeah.
I'll set it on top.
So we ready to put the Mento in?
Oh, right here. Guys, put it right here. Is this yours or Kyle's?
Guys, wait. Show the camera. This
we
is
have
some,
the
show
Mentos?
the frozen Febreze.
Oh yeah.
This is frozen Febreze.
Nuh-uh.
This is frozen. It smells good.
When
Okay,
did you
guys.
When did you guys spray it?
Take a big whip when you're watching this.
A big what?
It smells so good. Okay, ready?
Is this Kyle's?
No, I don't. I ate.
Are you gonna drink it while you do it?
Dude, stop. Hold on. Does it fit?
I was gonna
Did
sit
you
the
just
cap
throw
Ready?
the Mentos?
Wait.
It's in.
Oh.
Drink it.
Oh.
What? You guys are supposed to shake it. Wait, no, actually, I think it's.
No,
Oh, it's coming.
You guys see it all
Drink
right?
it. Somebody drink it. Shake it.
Yeah,
shake
you gotta
it.
hold it like that. Yeah.
Shake it.
Shake it a little bit.
Shake it.
There you go.
Get the cab. It's working kind of
Mike,
slow.
hurry, go.
Say sorry to them.
Who?
Shake it. Shake it more. Oh.
It's gonna blow.
It's Jones with a Mento in it.
Why are you doing it that tight?
Go.
It's
go.
a bit that makes.
All right,
No,
That's
don't.
way too tight.
Now the whole
Shake
thing's
it.
gonna blow up.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
It's
not
not
doing
doing much.
No, shake it. Now shake
Now
it.
shake it and open it up. That's a
Shake it
waste
like-
of a
like-
Jones.
Shake it.
Shake it.
It's a waste of a Jones.
Shake it.
Waste
fast.
of a Jones.
That's a whole $2.25 there, plus the Mento cost.
Yeah, but somebody drink already. Drink.
Oh.
Now drink it. Drink
That was bad.
Dude, it is like a volcano.
It tastes like Jones.
I don't know. And that
How
concludes
is
it
it?
for the Jones and Mental Challenge.
It just tastes
Thumbs
normal.
up from Tyler. And yeah, let's give
Didn't do anything,
this
dang
camera
it.
back to Kyle.
How does your guys' room smell?
That's so anticlimactic.
Freshy.
Hey, shoes off.
Kyle.
Shoes off at the carpet.
Yeah, it says shoes on.
Oh, what about you?
Here, Kyle.
17.
Alright, we're going to the dining hall to see if Ben left his Bible and stuff there. We gotta grab that, and then I gotta go to Triple. Hopefully he tells us the bathroom.
What?
The bathroom. What happened 5 minutes ago thing.
Oh, the bathroom's story?
Yeah.
It's like the one
You'll
where
find out. Don't spoil.
Wait, when did he say it last year?
He tells us every year, but he wasn't there
I thought
last
you
year.
weren't there.
He wasn't
you've
there
never
last
been.
year. He's been there. Yeah.
So
he started
like,
the same year.
when does he usually tell us at the end or the beginning?
He usually tells us the first day, but that was only 1 year. He was there. He wasn't there last year.
So if he does or doesn't,
You'll
after
miss out if
chapel,
he
you guys have
doesn't.
to
That's the best.
After chapel, you guys got 20.
Well, there's 2 more.
The story where he was in the bathroom, there's somebody.
Yeah. Well, there's no one in there. It was after they ate.
There ain't one.
Nothing. No spoils.
Beans. And then he was like, oh.
No. You'll find out. It's hilarious. I'll record it. The chapel's over for now. We're about to like talk about what we did for where the lesson was about, and then we have a few minutes, and then we eat lunch, and then yeah, we're about to eat. Definitely gotta go.
Every day,
Looks like you might be missing
like 3 videos.
3 videos.
You better not do it.
I started
Because
to
when
eat
you
it.
get on your Instagram or whatever, your Facebook, if you post something about food, you'll look at it 3 hours later, Josh. Well, Josh, I guess. You'll look at it 3 hours later, you'll be like, oh, I wish I had that right now. Remember that? Have you ever get that? Where you take a picture of food and then like 4 hours later, you're like, oh, I wish I could have that.
Oh, you don't like being recorded, do
I'll
you?
take a bite.
Prank wars have just begun. I forgot to record this, but it was like messed up in here. Really TV.
Hey, Sergeant Charles, this is Commander Kyle.
And General Lane.
Hoo-ha!
Prank wars are going on.
Peace on, baby. Peace out.
Y'all.
But first, a message from our sponsors. Hi, Mommy.
They hit us again. Lane's cards all over the place.
And I can't open my bottle.
Oh, Lane got a Coke and Charlie got a...
Fanta.
Yeah.
For the thirsty. Parson in your life. Parson.
I don't remember where I put my knife. Oh, there it is.
It should be underneath. But now I have a
You're welcome. Try not to break it. Oh,
I
it should be
had-
fine.
I had certain cards.
You need help, Lane.
I'm about to go down the hill.
There we go. Well, that was fun. So we just hit the other side. Look at this. We put beds everywhere, scrambled them all up, took beds out of some. We took the board out from underneath and put shrine wrap underneath this one. Took that one out, got all this set up. There's shaving cream in this balloon here. Balloon under there. We took the board out of this one, put string down there. They sag a little bit, but if they don't pay attention to that, we should be good. Oh, we're recording them when they walk in. Yeah, it's still recording, so there's balloons underneath there. We did a ton of stuff. Done a great job. So later, after they find all that out, we need to try and hit them again with running string back and forth all the way through.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Sup, dudes?
This is the best team yet.
Ding dong.
Coke's the
Dang
best.
it.
Which way?
He just walked that way. First entrance. Oh, wow. All that. Oh, one of them came back inside in his bed.
Talking about in there.
Oh, yeah.
Sup, GoPro? Heading off to do some laser tag.
Laser tag or watch this.
Laser
Or
tag.
gaga.
Wanna go this way again?
Back here at the cabin. They didn't write us back. They did find theirs though. He came in here. Apparently, they sat on there.
Yep.
They actually got caught recording. Apparently.
It actually smells clean.
I think we should run string back and forth all the way through
Oh
it.
yeah, do it. Well, also we were talking with Cameron that we should like when they're sleeping, strand wrap the bed. That way when they get up to like go to the bathroom or something, it's like.
We don't have that much left, but it'd be fun.
Take just pictures with it?
Yeah. Alright, we just did. What was that we just like sitting there? We're meditating and.
I was meditating.
It was like
sharing stuff.
yeah. It was like church time. Or just,
Church stuff.
Yeah. And we're back here for chapel.
How's it going?
My hair look good right here. Video me.
Sorry about. Look what we just did to their cabin. He walked in on us.
So we kind of tied him up.
He's actually not tied up. See? Shoot, he's gonna go raid ours. But look at that. That's insane. It took us like 10 minutes. Hey, he's gonna do something in there.
I don't care. Charlie
Yeah.
wants snack.
I want a
I want
snack.
a snack, man.
Tell me he can do whatever.
And Charlie like his snack.
We like a
I'm
snack.
going this way, it's faster.
True.
He's going the other way. I need my snack. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, what's up, man? Pete. We're gonna take you up to our lake hand. This is the pathway that we take. It's very snowy.
Yeah, and you can't see for half of it.
Well, in the nighttime, in the daytime you can, but
Yeah.
maybe we'll show you tomorrow, guys. The river or the lake is over there. That is the lake and monster. So
Yeah. He comes out every night
on freeze out.
on freeze out.
Only problem is he never kills nobody.
And he
because
can't
he's
get
stuck
out
under the
because
ice.
the ice. Yeah.
The ice has captured him, so
Yeah.
let's say the one time he can come out and he's stuck.
Yeah.
So as long as we never have a warm winter, we're good. A warm freeze out.
Yeah.
And also, Phils don't know about that. Man, are they gonna die when they see that? By
Yeah.
the way, if this is being watched on Kyle's blog, is it?
Yeah.
Be sure to subscribe to his channel.
Thanks.
Leave a comment below.
Like.
I would say subscribe to our channel, but we don't got one. So,
Yeah, you guys would
good
have the
luck trying, but it's
best.
not gonna work out too well for you. And leave a comment below of what you want us to do next. Shout out to Matthew and Andrew Fails.
Yeah. It's actually called the Fails Boys.
What if he spoils?
Is that like a Twinkie?
It is a twink.
Oh, it's a Twinkie with strawberries and whipped cream. That's a snack, midnight snack, but it's not midnight. It's only 10 o'clock.
We have to catch Cameron.
Oh, now Lane's being attacked.
Oh, better.
It did, but I took it off because it comes battery. Yeah.
What?
It's Yogi. Look, he's biting my finger. He's got chew toy. Look, his tongue. Now when you come against the bear, best thing you do is poke him in the eyeball.
Feel on it, so fluffy.
Hey, look, they could be twins.
I literally.
We just got to stuff this guy.
So we head to the raid.
Look at my pet bear.
Feel this thing, it's so fluffy. It needs to be combed
But
sometime
still,
now.
just
Get a close up on the claw.
But still, just
Oh, that is so
Compared
cool.
to my fin others.
But still, just
like-
imagine this right at your face.
Yes, just like David and Goliath.
That is scary. I mean,
Goliath, David.
Except for I'm pretty sure David's bear was a lot bigger.
but still, that would
Yeah,
be just
I'm
scary.
sure back
The-
then
and
they
looks
lived a
lot less
whole lot
weight. No, guys,
longer,
guys,
so they'd be
imagine
a ton
going like
bigger.
this. Sup, dude? Tell me. This is a time I need to follow these instructions very closely.
Bad grandma.
Bend over, kiss my book goodbye. Bye.
Let's go. We have way too much fun. I'm sad that today's or tomorrow's the last day.
I know.
This is the funnest
And we
I've
can't
had
even
on
really
freestyle.
do anything tomorrow.
But we have to.
Tomorrow we don't have time to do anything. Except for pack up and leave, and there's chapel and breakfast.
It is cold out here.
Yeah.
Now that no one's with us, we have to set some rules real quick. We have to especially get Mikey.
12 o'clock now. We got pranked again. And I collected like almost $1 worth of Jones Pop cans things.
What's up, guys?
Yo.
Careful what you
I would offer
Card
mine,
trick.
but
Are you 100% sure?
Personal.
Not in there. Not completely.
Oh, today's my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad.
Bye.
I still haven't completely cleaned up that room.
You see ours is almost completely clean.
Oh, so technically this is the end of day
This one looks like it likes
2. Yeah, day 2. This is technically the end of day 2 because it's already midnight. So, yeah, it's 12 o'clock.
This one's got a lot
Yeah,
of parts.
your
That
face
one
is
looks
covered.
good.
You'll be
I don't
fine.
wanna lose that. Alright, quick one.
Sentence. I kill you.
You kill me.
Sentence. I kill you.
Getting rid of this one.
So, on to day 2. That was fun.
I'm being
And